What's up, guys? Good to see you here on the Mr. Dig channel. As promised, we're back at the hangar. So we just opened up the door here. We're gonna get this place cleaned up a little bit, at least enough to get the Zenith 701 up to my buddy's hangar so that he can finish putting this thing together. So my Uncle Bob passed away about 6 months ago or so, and so I purchased his hangar as well as this little plane that he's been putting together over the past few years. So my hopes are to get this thing up and running, have the mechanic, of course, check it out first and take it off the ground, and then I'll fly it. It's got a Rotax oversized engine in it. I think this thing's got 150, 60 horsepower, where it's supposed to have 85. So it should just hang on the prop when we take off the runway after a couple of rotations of the tires. But I am just beyond excited to have this thing up in the air again here sometime in the very near future. We got my friends Jovi, Jesus is somewhere back there. We're trying to clean up at least an aisle where we can get or my buddy can get the plane out to take to his hangar, and then we got to go through all of this stuff down here, figure out what we're going to sell, what we're going to keep. But I love you, Uncle Bob, but good gracious, did you keep everything or what? He has got things still in the box, still in the packages from the 80s. And we got quite a bit to go through, as you can tell. So his dream was to put an apartment back here in the back corner of the hangar. We have all of the materials, all the lumber, I mean washer, dryer, air conditioning, the whole 9 yards. So I would like to make that a reality, not only just to finish what he started, but to have a little place to kind of hang out when I come down here. And fortunately, he went ahead and cut holes in the concrete floor to run the plumbing, so that'll be easy. We've got a well out back. Jovi and her husband just came down and put me some new skylights in the top, fixed the hurricane damage on the front. So we've got a giant hangar door there, obviously, to get the airplane outside. We've got a little hangar door over here. And Upstream was kind enough to bring us a dumpster down, so as we collect stuff that is unsellable, we can take it right out there and throw it in. So a good bit of work we've got to do here, but it's going to be fun, it's going to be exciting, and I cannot wait to get this place cleaned up, get the airplane going, and take Coco up in the air. Coco, you going to fly with me, or are you going to fly me? That's right. Yes? Yes? Okay, one of the two?
Jovita was just asking me, she's like, are you gonna? And I'm like, yeah, because I'm Coco, because I'm loco.
Because you're Coco Loco.
Absolutely.
Coco Loco. You're not going, Jovi?
I love my life.
Said, no.
She's like, never.
Said, yeah.
Hey, Jesus, what about you? You gonna go with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Jesus will go. All right, Jesus and Coco are crazy.
Yeah.
We just learned that right now.
Let's do it.
So
I'm
we're gonna bring the extension cord back over here, pump the tires up a little bit. Yeah, they're a little bit slack. And then make sure that we put the battery charger back in. We had rain the other day, so you can see that kind of coming through the skylight there. Actually looks pretty cool. You're good, Jesus. Actually looks pretty cool. Hey, that'll be great for our dance party, Coco.
Heck yeah.
Man, we get us a...
Now we're talking about, she was teaching me to say rainbow in Spanish. Arcoiris.
Arcoiris. It's a hard one. I never can remember that. I can't remember that one, but yeah, it's pretty cool.
It is like a little dance party in here.
Get the All right, we're going to get to work here, kind of organizing some stuff, and again, deciding what to keep and what not to keep.
These windows that were in grassroots shed.
What windows you talking about? Oh, those. Man, I don't know. I mean, I hate to sell them because they're really cool, curved, unusual, probably custom windows. That one too. Yeah, but it's like, when am I going to use them? You know.
I know.
Eventually I will, but that's why I got so much crap now, is because I won't get rid of anything.
Yeah. Is the goal to make... Are you filming me?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Is the goal to get rid of everything first and make as much money as possible, or is the goal to make as much money as possible and get rid of everything? The reason why I asked that is because
wasn't that the same?
No, because the priorities makes it a little bit different if you got a different goal. Because, for example, if it's let's get rid of it and make as much money as possible, I'm gonna help you get all this out. If it is let's make as much money as possible and sell everything, I'm gonna say, hey, that bike right there, let me take that one and that one, drop it off at Chain Reaction, have them price it out, see how much they'll give you for it, because they'll pay more. They'll pay probably a couple $100 more than some.
Well, I just bought those two there at Chain Reaction. Those are the ones I'm keeping down here, the green ones, because I'm gonna get fit.
Okay, good.
And ride those around the track.
Okay.
Around the runway.
Okay, I'm gonna film you while you do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it. I'll do it right now if you dare me to.
I do.
But no, the other ones that are down here, I don't think they're Chain Reaction material. Okay. They're yard sale material.
I might want to buy one of them for you.
I'll make you do. You got $20 on you?
Sweet. Heck yeah.
I don't see them hands moving in them pockets, girl.
Man, I'm good for it. I'm good for it.
Hey, how much you want for that hat? That looks brand new.
Oh, it's actually one of a kind.
Oh, goodness gracious. All right. Well, we got the tires pumped up. Battery is hopefully charging. Let me check that. Let's see what we got going on here with this little thing. 10% on standby, 12 volt. Okay, that's good. Got us an all aluminum engine here to make her even more lightweight. So this is a STOL plane, short takeoff or landing. It should be able to take off in very minimal footage, as well as in the right conditions land in very minimal conditions. This is not what I'm used to flying, but this is going to be so much fun just to fly over the landfill and the other businesses and just kind of just sightsee, man. But yeah, with this big old fat leading edge right here, we'll be able to set this thing down in some pretty interesting spots. Maybe we'll put some big bush tires on, or we might even go amphibious and put the floats on here. Because yes, because that would be really cool to be able to fly over to Atomic Sand from Rainbow Falls Lake if I have enough footage. There's some power lines that run over the middle, so got to do a little bit of math there, which I'm not great at math, so that'll be an interesting video. But it would be really cool to take off from Rainbow Falls Lake and land over at Atomic Sand.
That's how we're gonna die, isn't it?
Probably, but it'll make for interesting content nonetheless.
Joey just found this really cool vintage typewriter.
Hey, did I tell you I bought you a new laptop?
You did not.
I did.
Oh, is this it?
That's it, yeah. That is the latest and greatest iPad 37.
That is, oh my gosh.
It's amazing, huh?
I love it. This is exclusive. You guys don't even have this, so don't come for me in the comments.
This is what we use to run our lives. If you've seen any of our lives and how they go, this is what we're using.
Yeah, if you watch our live stream podcast video, this pretty much sums it up.
That's basically it. So. And we power it with this generator. That's right. Which actually I do really like this generator.
That's a nice generator.
And it's never been used. She's dry as a whistle. And
sorry.
Can't take her anywhere. But no, this will be great to utilize during the hurricane / ice storm / whatever.
Absolutely.
And this will be great for your back right here.
I was gonna suggest
an inversion table.
Yeah.
I mean, who doesn't want one of those?
Actually, these people that have these swear by them. I know people that have them and love them.
I've never used it.
I think you would like it.
I would probably pass out.
You probably
oh, look at this antenna.
What? I was gonna ask
what in
what
the
that was.
world? I mean, it's an antenna of some sort. It looks like the kind of one ET used to phone home.
Oh, yeah.
So maybe we can do that. That'll be cool. We brought the scissor lift down here. There's all the lumber I was telling you guys about a while ago. We've got pieces and parts of planes down here.
For days.
For days. That's a lot. There's a lot of everything. Just you name it, and it's here.
Odds and ends. Yep, and the house is like that too, but even cooler.
Cooler stuff, yeah. All right, well, let's get busy. I don't know if I've ever been so excited about a piece of property as I am of this one. This is gonna be so super cool when we get it all cleaned up. We got so much floor space to do stuff. Get the apartment built there in that back corner. And then out here, we got a little bit of cleaning up to do, but it's nothing terrible. Got another door right here. This is the dumpster I was speaking about earlier. So I'm probably just gonna leave the pine straw kind of as is just to keep the weeds down. But I do need to bring this bush hog down here. There's my property line right there where you can kind of see the scrub material ending and grass starting. So come in here and just kind of mow this down a little bit, but leave it natural under the pine so that I don't have to come down and cut too much grass. It wouldn't hurt to have a pressure washer down here, which I think there actually might be one inside. There's so much stuff in there. It's a little overwhelming, honestly, but we're just gonna have to continue to go through that stuff and sort through it and see what we're gonna keep and what we're gonna get rid of. So we've got a good bit of property here. Obviously you can tell where mine ends and the neighbors start by the amount of crap and pine cones and brush on mine, but we can get that taken care of pretty easily. This side looks okay. It's been getting the sunlight, so no need to really wash it. And then in the summertime, just kind of mow the front yard a little bit. Got a little crepe myrtle planted right there. We put some mulch around it. Maybe do some very small plantings along the front just to kind of give it a little bit of height, but nothing that of course is going to block the wings of the plane coming in and out. And I am excited, you guys. I hope y'all will tag along here on the channel and see where this thing winds up, but it's gonna be a fun time. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing, give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind, and I'll see you on the next video.